All right, guys, let's talk about GameStop as earnings is coming up June 10th. This is going to be one of those top stocks that a lot of people are watching on. It has, made a big purchase of Bitcoin, so that's definitely something I'd like to see with all their funds. And this earnings is going to be very, very interesting. June 10th coming up in 2 days. I love playing these plays into earnings because there's usually a run up into it, some anticipation. Shorts don't really want to kind of hold over there. So you usually get something like that. So the first thing is first is we hit this upper Keltner channel. This is unsustainable as we've seen price coming down. We are right now on this EMA 20 on the daily, and this is one of my best areas to buy is the 20 and then the 50. All right, these two areas can make a monster move up here. We don't know which one's going to be the big one. Usually the 50 is more stable, but as you can see, we are consolidating into a demand zone right in here. All right, so me personally, this is a very good risk versus reward scenario. Play the run up into earnings. You can easily get, let me see, just from this high to this, right here is a 4%. To get a 10%, you're looking at in the $33 range. So we'll see if we get that. Right now it's at $29. It really hasn't been doing much. It's got some decent volume, but GME has been known to hit this upper Keltner channel. You can see all throughout here, we touch it, rejects. We touch it, reject, touch it, reject. I'm looking for that strong trending here. This is, I think, the last time, like Warren Kitty and all that, this thing went way above this upper Keltner channel. It doesn't really do that often unless if it's like a short squeeze. But even then, though, this is going to come back to reversion to the mean. Everything does that. You can see right in here, we went to the 20 and 50, and look at this next big move. Went to the 50, another pump, So I'm looking into this. No one knows how good the earnings is going to be, but I think it's going to be. I think it's going to have a nice pump. I really do. So this is your demand zone. 29.50 is a solid buy, and then your next buy is in the $28. These are the two areas that I would buy. I would accumulate down in here. I'm probably going to get some here as I'm seeing this EMA 20 is just holding steady, and I'll probably just play the run up to earnings, see what it does. Give whatever it gives me on that run up earnings. But I think it's going to be pretty good. We just need to break through this thing. We're getting pretty tight right now. Right in here, you can see like we have a high, low, high, low, and we're just kind of just slowly waking our way up. I think the earnings is going to be the one where we break out. Obviously, that's what it's waiting for. Everyone's waiting for that. But like I said though, I've seen some run up into earnings, so we'll see though. That's my analysis on GameStop. I'm very bullish. I don't see anything to be bearish. All the EMAs are pointed. The EMAs are down under price, so that means they act as a support level. And you can see we've just been staircasing up. I mean, look at this. If you got here at this EMA 50, that was your best area. Right here at the 20 and 50, monster move up. We're right there at that area. Is it going to go to this 50? We'll see. But right now, this is on your first ad. Your second ad is down here. Don't be freaking out. And you can see we're on a monster uptrend. On the weekly, we're on a monster uptrend. If this goes to the weekly EMA 20 and 50 on a longer term, on the weekly chart, that is an amazing buy area. So, everything looks good. The monthly chart, EMAs are curling up. You can see right in here, the EMA 50 is at the bottom. It gets there and it pumps. So, I mean, the earnings is going to really, tell us where this wants to go. But even if it goes down, I mean, all the time frames are extremely bullish. We got that $27 support, $25 support. I don't see it going all the way down there for quite some time, but we'll see. But that's my analysis on GameStop. If you guys want to join the Discord, I think you guys will love it. It gives you an awesome service on how do I look for my trades. I give you guys the education and what I'm looking for. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join my premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts, and that will give you access to everything. When you hit that, you'll get the gold membership. You'll get access to my day trade alerts, swing trade alerts, live streams every day, day trading education, swing trading education, all in one little service for 12 bucks a month. Subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you have an Android, you will have to use your computer or use your phone's browser. Read how to subscribe if you're having trouble. I think you guys are going to like this a lot. GameStop is extremely bullish here as we're just consolidating in this little demand zone, and I think their earnings is going to make this go up. At the very least, we're going to have a run up into earnings in these next 2 days. So keep an eye on GameStop. I like to play those recent earnings plays with a strong uptrend. The daily, weekly, and monthly are all uptrends. And this thing should keep just going up higher. I mean, we can easily get these kind of moves here. I mean, 10%, 7%. Another 6% gain rate in here in literally 3 days. We go up literally from here to here, a 30% move up in 3 days. So it's possible, but we don't want to buy it when it's up at this upper Keltner channel, okay? So when you join the Discord, you'll get my settings on how to set up all this. So keep that in mind. You're going to love it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.